Hey, it's Jackie here. Thanks for watching this video. And in today's video, I want to take a look at the following question. What am I doing wrong with affiliate marketing? Obviously, when someone asks this question, they're struggling with affiliate marketing, right? And most people start with affiliate marketing because it's very easy to do. It's not quick though, but it is very easy to start, right? You can join an opportunity, get a link and share it. But the basic problem, what people do is they just share a sales page, a link to a sales page, and they hope it stick or somebody clicks on it and buy whatever they are offering. The most important thing is some people are in a completely, I wouldn't say wrong niche, but there are certain niches that are actually the best way people are spending their money. There are three of them, three niches that I want to share with you. The first one is the make money online niche. The second is the weight loss niche, health and weight loss niche, and the third one is relationships. I myself are in the make money online niche. I focus on affiliate marketing myself and network marketing. And one thing that I've learned and that a lot of people are not doing is, building the email list. As an online marketer, network marketer, affiliate marketer, that should be your main focus. Building your email list and then follow up with those leads via with email. Sending them regular email, follow up, building trust, that kind of thing. Now, like I said, I'm in the make money online niche. That's what I prefer to do. And if you're an affiliate marketer, or you wanna be, or you're struggling in this case, then I want to share something for you that you can use, that you could do to be successful with affiliate marketing. Now, although affiliate marketing is easy to do, it's not quick. It takes time, it takes persistence, and also the main thing is that a lot of people that go online that start affiliate marketing expect to be earning 10,000 or more dollars a week or a month, and it doesn't work that way. You need to be persistent with your marketing. You need to be persistent on social media, whatever social media platform you choose. It doesn't matter. You need to build trust. You need to share good information, and you can get that information easily when using AI. And but let's take a look at something I want to share with you. If you're struggling with affiliate marketing, then I highly recommend the following. Right, I use a free platform called, or a free system called MLM Lead Pro. It's a free system, there's no upgrades, and it's very beginner friendly. Step by step, it's help you to set everything up. And the cool thing about MLM Lead Pro is it does two things. First, it helps you build your email list, and secondly, it helps you earn passive income by sharing opportunities which you can use at the back end. Now, these opportunities have been researched by the owner of MLM Lead Pro. They're good quality, they offer good products, digital products, and they simply pay and they work really, really well. Now, like I said, MLM Lead Pro helps you build your email list, which is the most important thing any online marketer should do because you can follow up with your leads. Now, you with MLM Lead Pro, to start to do that, you get all these lead capture pages absolutely free. You can click on Open Library. It shows you all the different free ones that you can use. There is some premium ones, but you can simply pay for it. Or what you can do is you can earn credits on the MLM Lead Pro platform, and then you can use those credits to buy these premium lead capture pages. So you don't have to pay for it. There's a way by doing the work on MLM Lead Pro to earn those credits, and you can then use it. Yeah, right. So very easy. You can edit these opt-in pages. You can add a tracking link if you want to, for example, use it with paid advertising or on a specific social media platform. You can do that as well. You can edit it. You can change the wording, etc., etc., etc. Really cool. Really very, very easy to use. Another thing is you can add your own programs. If you're a beginner, obviously, then you don't have any opportunities to share. But if you're an online marketer listening to this, then you can add your own programs as well, as many as up to 10. 5 of programs are free. If you want to add more up to 10, then you can pay with it in credits as well. There are strategies. All the members share the proven strategies that they use to, let me click on it, that they use to generate these leads. You can go take a look at this, you can join it, you can use it, you don't have to, it's all up to you. And then we provide training, step-by-step training to help you set everything up. We use a platform called LeadSleep, and there's a Shark. LeadSleep you can use for free. There's a pro version as well, but you can use it to create your email list and to link your email list from LeadSleep with MLM Lead Pro. Very easy to do. There's step-by-step video training here. You can work through all of these. Also, as when you join MLM Lead Pro for the first time, then let me just get to the dashboard. Then you can click on this step-by-step wizard. You can use that wizard to set everything up. But here in the dashboard as well, you have 5 steps that you can follow as well. So the blueprint wizard is here at the top. You just click launch wizard. It will open up a new window, and then you just simply follow the steps. Watch the video and join the core opportunities that you want to. You do not have to join them. It's highly recommended that you do. They've been tried and tested and researched, and they are legit opportunities. Low cost to start, which is perfect for beginners as well. Then you just follow the steps, go through this, click save and continue, and you follow each step. You take a look at your sponsors opportunity, see if you're interested. Here's the LeadSleep setup for your email list. You just follow the instructions there. Traffic and activation, some traffic resources that you can use. You can decide if you want to join it or not. It's all up to you. So MLM Lead Pro gives you all these options that you can use to succeed with it, and all these opportunities to succeed at the back end of it as well. And the cool thing is, step 1, 4 and 5 you cannot change. That's the core opportunities. But step 2 and 3, if you have your own opportunities, you can replace that with your opportunities. So that's super cool. You add it, you first go here, add your programs, and then within that you can choose to override step 2 and add your program, and the same with step 3. So that's MLM Lead Pro in a nutshell. So if you're struggling with affiliate marketing, then maybe you should try a free system like this, which is very duplicatable for people, for your leads, for prospects, people that join you, that join MLM Lead Pro with you, and they can use this and earn commissions at the back end. So all these opportunities are low cost. It's easy to start, easy to join, and yeah, you can earn weekly commissions and monthly commissions with it. Right, I just wanted to share that with you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, share it, and I'll see you in the next one.